How to stop your images from moving when using iMovie, and we are now in 2023. If that's you right now, you are struggling and it's really bugging you, then stay tuned. Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the Soul Central directory, which goes out every single month to over 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, and also high achievers. So if you feel that is the right audience for you to best place your services in front of, and you would like a free listing, then simply subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then below write down Soul Central directory and I'll send over the information to you. Okay, so how to stop your images from moving when using iMovie. Let's jump in. Okay, so I'm here right now in my own iMovie making a promo video for my particular client. And here, if you were to draw from your media an asset you might have, then once it goes onto the actual platform here and you press play, do you recognize that sometimes it moves and you are really confused as to what to do next, how to stop it from moving? So it is a nice feature, but we don't always want it to move. So what you need to do is click on the actual image, because it is actually an image that I've drawn from my media assets, and you click on this square thing here and you've got the options of Ken Burns, crop to fill and fit, and you simply just press on fit and then
end of the recording, so
it doesn't move. There are obviously other options depending on what you would like to do in your particular video. You can have a little look around to see what works for you, but this video is just to show you to click on the fit, and that will stop your particular section, your image, from moving within iMovie. Great, I hope you found that useful. Again, as mentioned, if you would like a free listing within the Soul Central directory, which goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus soul searchers, manifestors and high achievers, then again, like this video, subscribe to this channel and put down in the comments box below Soul Central directory, and I will send you over the information and I'll get you into the next edition. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.